Hey guys, Jackson from AmmbrTech here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Blackbird, a cryptocurrency hardware wallet that we recently developed at AmmbrTech. As you can see, it still has all the shrink wrap security tape on it, so let's go ahead and cut that off and get right into it. So when you first open the box, what you're going to see immediately is the Blackbird itself. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and when you turn it on, the logo is going to pop up on screen, and after that's done loading, you'll have two options. The first is create a new wallet, and the second is import a wallet. And you can choose whichever one best suits you. Right below that, you're going to find this card. And the purpose of this card is for you to write down your 24-word recovery phrase. It's very important that you write that down and you don't lose it so you can recover your wallet. Below that, you're going to find these two clear cases. Each one of these contains a micro SD and their respective adapters, and you're going to need at least one of these to start up your Blackbird. Right here is the micro USB charging cable. The Blackbird comes from the factory with a little bit of charge on it, but we recommend that you charge it for at least 30 minutes before really digging into it. The very bottom here is where you're going to find the quick start manual. Now this is where you're going to want to go if you have any questions regarding the Blackbird. Inside, you'll find how to set up the Blackbird, how to send and receive transactions, and how to back up a wallet. And all of that pretty much sums up what comes in the box of the Blackbird. So once you've got your Blackbird all set up, and let's say you've created a wallet and you're looking for some place secure to store it, you can put it in this device, which you might have seen on my desk earlier. It's called the Blackbird Bunker. It doesn't come with the Blackbird, but you can buy it separately if you're looking for a secure place to store your Blackbird. And that's going to be it for the unboxing. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you next time.